Hey guys, it's me Nori. I didn't feel like putting on makeup or getting ready, so I just, I'm like this. So yeah, today I wanted, Jesus Christ, the birds are so loud, but today I wanted to do a mystery unboxing because I feel like you guys like mystery and baggings or whatever. If you haven't seen the one from New Year's, check it out. And today I'm going to be having 2 boxes of food unboxing thingies. So here they are. So this bag is from Don Quijote, which is like this very big store in Japan, and they sell just everything and anything. But I saw this and they were having like a huge time sale. It was basically $150 for 1 box and then $200 for 2 boxes, so I obviously got 2. And basically it was so cheap because it was nearing the expiration date, and I've waited a while, so now I think it's expired. Yeah, it expires at on the 6th. So yeah, this is what it looks like. As you can see, a big question mark. And it was going pretty quickly, so that's why I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna snatch it up. So this is what it looks like. It basically says tabe hodai, so like you can like all you can eat, and it's saying that there's too much food for one person to eat or whatever. And I have no idea what's inside here. It doesn't really give you a hint or anything. It just says a bunch of food, and then it says tokumori, which is like, oh, it's extravagant and it's like good or whatever. So yeah, I don't know what these little humans are doing, but yeah, and I have another one up here, so that's pretty exciting. So I'm hoping that these both there's like so many ambulances. Anyway, I'm hoping these two have different things in it, or at least a little bit different, but I'm thinking maybe not, because this is like packaged and shipped from a factory, and I feel like they don't do that, but if not, whatever. So let's get into it. So I'm just gonna open this box first. I've been wanting to open these because I've been hungry and wanting to snack on something, so I can finally check this out. I'm hoping it's not like these like boring like crackers or like boring stuff. I don't know. Okay, let's see. Please be something good. At least I'm like hoping for chips, chocolates, but I feel like it's gonna be like bad snacks. Okay, this is what I see. Oh, there's in like 2 different. Are you kidding me? What the hell is that? It's just all the same. Oh my god, what is this? I have no words. What the hell? What is this? I'm so sad. These are just like, oh my god. Why is it all the same? I feel so scammed. Okay, these are like those weird rock chocolate things. I mean, at least it's chocolate. I mean, I think it is. Wait, hold on, let me try it. Look at all this plastic they used. It's just all the same. Holy, I'm very upset. Wait. Let me listen to the other one. No! 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 They sound the exact same. I'm so upset. It's chocolate. I'm so sad. I am so sad. this is exactly why you don't buy mystery boxes. Do I open the second one? Okay, I have a feeling it's just gonna be rocks again, so I feel like it's more entertaining if someone that doesn't know what's inside opens it again. So I'm gonna have my friend Ravindi open this. Let's run to her room. Can you open this for me? It's a mystery box.
Oh, okay.
It's food mystery box, and I already opened one.
Okay.
And I think it's the same thing in that one. So I want to see what you think.
What is it?
I got it from Don Quixote. It's like a mystery food box.
Wow.
I got 2 on it, and then
How much?
I think it was very cheap because it was nearing the expiration date. It was only 200 yen for both boxes. Yeah.
That's a good deal.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, it's raisins. You don't like it?
No, it's not raisins.
It's not? What is it? Oh, what is this? What is it? What is this? Wait, what? What is this? Wait, can I open this?
Yeah. Take a bite.
Wait, this looks like rocks.
Yeah.
Huh?
Wait, eat it.
We can eat it?
Yeah.
Wait, can we eat it?
Yeah.
I like it.
But isn't that so disappointing in a box? It's like a mystery box, and I was expecting like different variety of stuff. And it's literally just rock chocolate. Both boxes.
That's true. Oh.
I'm so sad. I think everyone did. Like there was all
Is it
these
the
people.
same thing?
Yeah, there was all these people buying it and stuff.
Oh.
They must have been
But
so disappointed.
This tastes good though.
Yeah. At least someone is happy. Yeah. You can have the rest.
No.
I have another one. Goodbye.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Well, I was thinking this video was going to take a whole different turn, but all I got were rock chocolates. I mean, they're good, but I'm sad. Bye. This is totally a lie. Look at all these false advertisements. I mean, I have already eaten a lot of it. There's chocolate on here. There's nothing else in here. So sad. This is what these rocks look like close up. I'm hoping these two have different things in it, or at least a little bit different,